Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix lag and RAM stutter when your games are not using all your RAM. First, close all the programs that run in your background. Just close all of them and then you can free up some RAM. What else you can try is to go on your text manager. Under performance, then you can see that there's all this cached RAM. You'll need to free up some of it. What you can do is open your browser and then type in RAM map. Click on the first link, Microsoft. Go on download RAM map. Once you download it, you need to extract it. Just right click, then click on extract all, then extract. Once extracted, we need to click on this RAM map. Then you need to go under empty. Go where it says empty standby list. Once you do this, then check your task manager. As you can see, cleared up some RAM and you're done.